know your body shape? Are you hourglass, oval, rectangle, triangle, or maybe inverted triangle? You don't know? Don't worry. I am here to help you define your shape in easy way. It will take only 5 minutes of your time. Welcome to my channel, Chic and Gorgeous. My name is Verazi and I am fashion designer and chic stylist expert and your go-to specialist on a journey to help you elevate your everyday style. Knowing your measurements and understanding your body type can offer several benefits when it comes to fashion and styling. It's not about changing how you look. It is about leaning into your ideal silhouettes that highlight your body shape strengths. In this video, I will guide you step by step how to measure yourself and determine your body shape. I will talk in another videos how you should or should not dress and will give you some tips for those individual body shapes. Let me know in the comments below if this is something what interests you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss any new videos. Now, let's dive right into how to determine your body shape, as this is an integral first step to styling and choosing clothes that looks best on you. Step number 1, preparation. Put fitted clothes on. No push-up bra. Choose soft one instead. Prepare fabric tape measure, pen and paper. Step number 2, take measurements. Stand up in front of the mirror, naturally and straight. Feet shoulder width. While measuring yourself, remember to keep measure tape parallel to the floor and slightly stretch but not squeezing your body. Do not forget to write down all the results on the paper. Measurement number 1, shoulders. Measure your shoulders in the widest part of your shoulders. Measurement number 2, bust. Measure your chest at the widest part of your bust. Measurement number 3, waist. Measure your waist at its narrowest point, which is usually right above your belly button. Measurement number 4, hips. Measure your hips at the widest part of your hips. Finally, you are ready for the last step. Step number 3, compare measurements and define your body shape. Triangle body shape, also known as a pear body shape. Hips are wider than your shoulders by 2 inches or more, or are wider than your bust by 4 inches or more. Inverted triangle body shape. Shoulders are wider than your hips by 2 inches or more, or bust is wider than your hips by 4 inches or more. Rectangle body shape. Shoulders, bust, waist, and hips are almost the same width. The waist is less defined and is less than 8 inches of a difference between shoulders and hips. Circle body shape, known also as an apple body shape. Shoulders and hips are roughly the same width. Your waist is going to be larger than your shoulder, bust, and hips by 2 inches or more. Hourglass body shape. Shoulders, bust, and hips are roughly the same width, and your waist measurement is smaller by 8 inches or more than your shoulders, bust, and hips. Remember, every body shape is unique. If your measurements doesn't fit neatly into any of these body shapes, you might have a combination of different body shapes. Don't worry, this information should only help you to dress better and find pieces that will flatter your body. If you still don't know your body shape, or you don't have time to define it, feel free to contact me. I can help you to determine your body shape so you can finally start elevating your style and enjoying dressing. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, your chic transformation begins now. Follow me, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more style inspiration, expert tips, and chic updates. And until next time, keep being chic and gorgeous.